ready and doing makeup at music festivals that are more than one day. I wake up after partying the day before, walking around and dancing and jumping, and my body is super, super sore. I'm achy. All I want to do is go back to sleep. I'm tired. I do not want to wake up and do a makeup look that's going to take like 2 hours to complete. It's just not going to happen. Maybe that's just me, but when I'm at festivals, all I want to do is put my makeup on as fast as I can so I can sleep in longer and then just go to the festival. I just don't want to worry about my makeup. So I'm going to show you how I did my makeup for Ultra Miami 2018, which was this year, almost a month ago now. It's super easy. Just keep in mind that this is not the most technical makeup look. I'm not a makeup artist. You're gonna find better festival makeup looks out there, but in reality, if you try to do a lot of those looks, it's gonna take you a long time to do. At least it would for me. Maybe you're like super fast at doing makeup and better than I am, but it's just not realistic for me to do a crazy extensive makeup look at a festival because I'm so tired. So I use like 2 products on my eyes, the base and then the glitter eyeshadow for this look. And I think it's the easiest, fastest way to do pretty festival makeup that's going to look good on camera. It's going to look good at night, and it's going to look good like with your outfit, but it's also not going to take 2 hours to complete.
Need you to keep me close. Tell me, truly, does it even mean a thing when you're touching every little part of me? Why do you really think I would do this 100 times? 'Cause I never knew love like this all in my life. I just need you. I need you. Need you to keep me close. Need you to keep me close. She's the ghost from the video. No one ever knew her face. Don't you try to keep holding on. She's locked up in cyberspace. Don't you fall for her. She will just make you hurt. Don't you long for her. She is just numbers. Somewhere free.